So continuing from our last video, all right, one other thing that you can add, all right, is one more line called plot.show. Now what is the difference? Okay, now without the plot.show, every time you plot a graph, it will give you some text information first before plotting the graph. If I say plot.show, it will omit that text and straight away just show the graph. Okay, so it's not really a big difference, but if you do not want any text printed out and you just want to show the graph, okay, then you can just say plot.show. all right, now as I said earlier, the default behavior is to plot a blue line, all right, that connects all the coordinates. Now you can change the behavior, all right, with the plot function, all right, and there are many different options available in terms of how you want to mark out the coordinates, the xy coordinates, what color you want for the line, and the format of the line. Is it a straight line? Is it dots? Is it dashes? And so on. Okay, so let me show you an example. Okay, so under plot xy, we can add one more third parameter. So I'm going to key in x dash dash r. Now what is x dash dash r? Okay, so the first parameter here, okay, x means each x coordinate is going to be represented with a cross, okay, on the graph. Okay, so maybe let's do it step by step. Okay, so if I just add x alone, what happens? Okay, so if I just add x alone, you can see that I have marked out all the points, okay, with x. So this x, okay, coordinates that are marked out on the graph represent the xy values here. All right, now how do I want to the line to be displayed? Okay, so of course we can have if you want the default line that we saw earlier, you just put a single dash. All right, then you will see that it has the same behavior as earlier. All right, except that now you have all the x's to mark, all right, the coordinates. Now instead of a dash, if you put dash dash, then it will become a dash line. Okay, so you can see that now it has become a dash line. All right, again, if you want it to be a dotted line, you can put in the colon. Okay, then it will become a dotted line. All right, and the last thing that you can change is the color. All right, so if I don't want it to be blue, I want it to be green, I just add a G. Okay, so it will change to green. Okay, if I want it to be red, I put a R. Okay, so there are many different options available to you, all right, on how you want a graph to look like. All right, so again, all of these options you can easily search online, all right, and you can explore on your own. All right, so but this gives you the idea of how you can format the visualization of the graph according to your needs. All right, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.